live. You're rolling.
Okay.
I'm just not pointing at you because you're in a. I'll point at you now. Look, you're live.
Hey, Happy New Year's! We're over here on this big canal right here. See that big canal? Yep. Huge canal. Big party. Okay, so we got the fireworks show tonight, right? You can't see it, it's covered due to the moisture. We're gonna have some 200s go off. Oh, this is my water, I gotta grab this. Are you filming right now?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's very important that you need to hydrate yourself, especially in Florida. And they're gonna go into some 500s. Real sick. 10:37, December 31st, 2018. We're making history over here, okay?
We have someone
we got
very
these
special here tonight.
ones called hazards. And they're really beautiful. We got 4 of those going off with this one thing called, my buddy said, shit and chicken. So make sure you hydrate yourself. So, we got a bunch of stuff over here. I don't know how well you can see it, so I'm gonna get out my computer right here. It's got a light. Does that help? Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so you can kind of see what we're doing over here, you know? Some of the cakes we're using.
Why don't you tell us about that right there by your feet, bro?
Zoom in on this one?
Yeah, we're on it, man.
Oh yeah, that's the 360. The 360, and that one goes fast, but it's loud. Yeah, and it's a heavy cake too, man. It might hurt your back. Lift with your knees, not your back. Got some instant crackle here and some crackle mines, 13 shot. Alright, so now we got the finale and other stuff. Alright, come on. So we got this thing right here, it's called Omega Red. Yeah.
You can't see the art, man. Fuck the art.
Yeah, it
Fuck
sucks.
the art. It's dumb. It's red and black.
So
It says Omega Red on the box.
Here's something cool. I found this firework. It's called Superman. Let's see what that one does, all right?
You gotta be careful with your phone, man. You can't just like block the camera with
All right.
the light and the camera.
My bad.
Gotta work together, man.
Okay, I'm not the best light man.
It's all right. It's all right.
My bad. All right, so what we got is this thing. It's called My Cock is Bigger. I know it's a little backwards, but that's all right. Yeah, that one's just loud. Yeah, no colors.
Make some noise.
Yeah.
A little bit of boom boom.
It's real loud.
Alright, if everybody wants to make their way to the front, grab a chair. We have like I said, we have a special performance going on for you guys.
They got a special performance going on, do they? What's this over here? What's this weird fucking shindig
All right,
you got
so
going?
this right here, I think, is 12 13-shot slices of Dominator 1.4 Pro. It's like you got comets, mines. I think some of them have shells, some of them are crackle, or the crackle's already used up.
For you particular assholes, yeah, it's 11. Fuck you.
All right, so it's 11. All right. I called my friend and he came by. I said, I need to do a show. And he said, okay, I got something for you. And he dropped this thing off.
Which one was it?
This one here that says Rooster Rules.
No, I mean, which buddy? Was it Leroy? Was it Chester? Was it Billy Joe?
I think it's Felipe.
Oh, Felipe. Yeah, he's got the good stuff.
Yeah.
All right, again, if everybody can make their way to the stage.
We're gonna have a little, you know, you gotta represent, you know. If you think you're good, you know, you want to rock some gold up in this piece here, right? You want to give the crowd a little touch of gold and let them know that you represent.
What?
You know?
We put gold on everything, man. We should just invite 2 Chainz to this party.
Oh, we can invite in. Wow.
Guys, this is a few short minutes. We're gonna have someone.
Anyways, I guess that's the end of the tour. Well, here you'll see the video soon, you know. Enjoy. Merry Christmas.
I'm gonna film the approach. Film the approach to the aftermath here.
Yeah. Okay, you got it.
Yeah, we're filming.
Here's the aftermath of our show. We don't know if everything went, but it kind of
We
looked
got
like it did.
some crackles didn't go. That crackle came flying off. It got hit by something for sure. That shit happens though, you know.
It looks like most of it went though, just not the way we wanted it to.
Everything went. Everything fucking went. We did not. One slice didn't go. One slice, dude. Look, one slice.
This one 200-gram cake is the only survivor.
And this slice. We have one 200.
One slice and the one slice.
Don't get over it. That's a hang fire. It got burned. But yeah, that one slice out of all them.
That was in there. That's why I was like, yo, what the fuck?
That's what it was. It was the eagle with the 3.
Joyriding that, I was like, what the fuck is that?
We do still have a hot slice here.